What's up, y'all? It's Devin. Welcome back to the channel. As promised, it is Wednesday, July 7th, 9:41 a.m. I am doing a what I eat in a day video plus showing my workouts. And I kind of just want to show y'all what's in my stuff. At the top here, you have like bread, oatmeal, the Special K cereal, coconut water, because I love coconut water. And here you got more oatmeal. You have like veggie straws, say shiitake noodles. I don't know if they're called. You have like my last thing of crackers from when I was sick or like on my period. Then like pistachios, salmon, tuna, popcorn, noodles. They're not my noodles. Then you got raisins. Definitely not mine. That's disgusting. But I also want to show y'all my freezer here. Nothing really particular. I got fruits, veggies, chicken, some prepackaged meals, the leftovers. We really don't want to buy those no more, so that's like the last of it. And in my fridge, we got just random sauces and stuff here. Then you got like yogurts, I love yogurt. More coconut water, fruit, veggies, prep chicken, rice, all that good stuff. So I just want to show y'all my fridge and stuff, all the food I also have as well. I'm gonna say episode what? Meal one I'm about to make right now is going to be eggs and a protein smoothie. Oh yeah, I guess I can show you this too here real quick. But also just in this pantry, you have like collagen, which I want to do a video on collagen protein. I gotta do more research into this from some stuff I heard about it. That's kind of not legit, but I'm doing my research on it, and I'll do a video about that. But I got my Orgain protein powder, which is what I'm going to use for the smoothies here as well. Also with these greens and stuff, more powders, Gorilla Mode pre-workout, which I am doing a video on this pre-workout. Should probably be out, I want to say next week probably. Just my vitamins, PB2. I don't use this. PB2 tastes disgusting in my opinion. I don't care for PB2. But yeah, so I'm about to cook this right now. The benefit of meal prepping all last night is I can just throw all these bad boys in. Like, just, I don't know how much. I'm not gonna measure out these veggies, but I'm just gonna throw them in here first with my hands. I know, right? I'm such a I'm not using my hands. Oh my lord. Hold on. God, it's so hard to record. I'm left-handed, using my right hand for this, but because this is my recording hand. I gotta record with my left hand, but I'm using my right, so a little bit more tomatoes. All right, this is all for the eggs here, by the way. All right, to make the protein smoothie, I'm using the Silk Ultra. It has 20 grams of protein, plant-based, 180 calories. It's just the ingredients, or I guess nutrition facts of it. You can use whatever. I used to use almond milk for this, unsweetened, but I'm just using this one from now on just because it has 20 grams of protein in it. Also got 4 ice cubes. They're going to go in there as well. 1 serving of organic greens, then 1 serving of the Orgain protein powder. I like mine vanilla. I prefer that over chocolate. And finally, you get this organic super smoothie tropical blend. It has kale, mango, pineapple, banana, passion fruit in it. This is the nutrition facts here on the back. And then with these, they come in individual baggies, so it's really quick and convenient. You just drop this whole thing in it. Alright, so there we have it. Now this thing is ready to blend. All right, so I'm back in the office. I see my food's done. These are my eggs here. I like to add no sugar added ketchup to it. And this is my smoothie. And even with my smoothie, there's still some left. This isn't the full serving of the smoothie. I just try to get into the max filled there. And real quick though, I just want to mention once again, like, I'm not tracking my calories. I'm not like counting calories and tracking everything like that at all no more. But I still, as you can see, I still like to measure stuff out. Now with the, God, I swear to my recorder, I was gonna burp. But not with the eggs, like the vegetables and eggs, but like with, with my smoothie, for example, I measured everything out, just make it get a serving. If I had to guess how many calories is in here, this is, I would want to say 800, and it's about like 850 calories. And this is probably around like 85 grams of protein. This is for sure my biggest meal of the day. I don't eat bigger than this. And like saying with the smoothie, that I don't finish this all at once. I still have some left over. So throughout the day, I usually be sipping on this smoothie here. But I just want to show you guys overall meal one, about like 850 grams of protein. Not protein, calories with like 85 grams of protein. All right, so I'm walking, getting my steps in right now. It is 82 degrees outside, 49% humidity. I'm wearing a hoodie because I don't feel like wearing a bra right now, so I would suffer for comfort pretty much. So my video, I finished editing it. It is currently uploading right now. So today, Wednesday, my weighing video will be out. Yeah, it doesn't really feel, I don't feel that good right now, to be honest. I'm just really tired. I've got horrible sleep. I don't know who's in charge of creating my dreams, but they should be fired, because what the hell? I've been having the most bizarre dreams. Like, it's one night I was married to my brother. Like, this is not, we're not about that Game of Thrones life here, okay? Like, it's been a weird thing going on. So yeah, it's pretty much El Paso, my apartment complex here. Shockingly, even with all this humidity, it feels kind of nice out. It was kind of sprinkling right now, so I'm gonna try to get 1 to 2 laps in to try to walk like about 3,000 steps. I see the rain caught me right at the end of my walk, but I'm pretty much done. I was gonna do another lap, but it was like rain getting harder. I'm at 36.25 right now, so time to go back inside because it's raining kind of hard right now. All right, so it is 2:01. I'm about to have like a little snack. I'm not really that hungry. You're saying that breakfast, I finished it like at 10:30 a.m. and I still feel quite satiated with it. So I just got some crackers that I had, and this Baby Bell cheese, really good. And I got my Pepsi Zero. So this is gonna be a little snack that I have, and I probably eat again. I'll probably eat an actual meal like at 4. That way I can have some food for like around 5 or 6 o'clock. I'm gonna go to the gym, so hopefully I get a good workout in it, and I will able to show y'all that. All right, so it's 4:40 p.m. This is gonna be my next meal. I have a chicken salad here, so yes, I did measure my stuff out. I have spinach, kale, tomatoes, cheese, chicken, and then also got this honey Dijon because I just love it. And then I also gonna finish up my smoothie that I made for breakfast. This is how much I have left of it. So this is gonna be my meal before the gym. Alright, so a fun thing that happened is that I didn't go to the gym just because there's something going on with my left nostril here. It was very inflamed and it was hurting Wednesday night, so I didn't go to the gym. So I just stayed in, and my last meal I had the rest, like the crackers, I had some pineapples, and I had a cup of the caramel apple pie yogurt. So that's what I ate for Wednesday, just to end it off. Hopefully I'm able to do a lifting video hopefully soon. But if you like these kind of what I eat in a day videos, I'll still definitely go ahead and do so. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day there.